A dark night, a gentle breeze, and an eerie stillness across the base runway. Then suddenly, a massive shadow emerges from the darkness, the B-2 Spirit, the world's quietest, deadliest, and most invisible bomber. Every technician and engineer knows that another extraordinary training mission is about to begin. This isn't just practice, it's a fusion of technology and bravery that has transformed the B-2 into a legend. Ground crew members move silently around the aircraft. No noise, no chaos, every movement precise. Every inch of the B-2 hides sensitive stealth technology designed to trick enemy radar. A special coating is applied to its surface, reflecting radar waves like a mirror. This may be a training mission, but there is no compromise in discipline, safety, or precision. The pilot's helmet glows, the HUD flickers to life, and the cockpit screens illuminate with vibrant data. Sitting inside, the pilot knows he isn't flying an ordinary aircraft. He is touching the limits of human technological achievement. Every switch, every system, every checklist, the mission is about to begin. The engines don't roar, they whisper. A smooth, haunting silence surrounds the aircraft. That is the B-2's power, unseen, unheard, yet unmatched in the skies. The engines slowly build thrust, and the entire aircraft vibrates gently like a sleeping giant preparing to wake. The B-2 slowly begins to taxi down the runway. Its entire silhouette flows like a dark sheet drifting through the air. The control tower gives final clearance, and the pilot calmly responds. Spirit 01, ready for training run.
Speed increases, air pressure builds, and within moments, the giant lifts off the ground. No scream, no thunder, only silence. The world's most expensive, most invisible bomber ascends gracefully into the sky. Few people ever witness a takeoff like this. As the B-2 climbs, it vanishes. No radar detects it. No sensor registers it. It's as though the sky has swallowed a shadow whole. The training run begins to feel dangerously real. Now the pilot faces a simulated mission involving enemy radars, missiles, and advanced defense systems. But the B-2 slips through them like a phantom. This training mission is no less stressful than an actual battlefield scenario. The B-2 drops to dangerously low altitudes. Mountains, rivers, and valleys pass only feet beneath its wings. A small mistake could destroy the entire mission, but B-2 pilots are trained with nerves of steel. These moments are not adventure. They are responsibility. The most critical phase begins, identifying the target, locking its coordinates, and preparing for a perfectly accurate simulated strike. The B-2's onboard systems process data in microseconds.
No real bomb is released, yet the aircraft replicates every movement of an actual strike. The simulation confirms direct hit. This is the power of the B-2. Silent destruction, unmatched accuracy. The next step, an in-air refueling maneuver. Only the most skilled pilots can perform this flawlessly. The B-2 slowly approaches the tanker, aligning itself with millimeter precision. As the aircraft heads back, simulated enemy defenses intensify. The pilot experiences real-time tension as the B-2 enters full stealth mode once again, disappearing from digital radars. The base appears in the distance, glowing faintly in the night. The landing gear lowers smoothly, and the dark bird touches down without a single roar, like a shadow returning to its home. The cockpit opens, and the pilot steps down. His eyes show little exhaustion, but immense pride. He has once again mastered the world's quietest yet deadliest aircraft. The B-2 is more than a bomber. It is a philosophy. Power in silence. dominance in invisibility, victory in the shadows. This training prepares the aircraft for future battlefields where stealth will rule the skies. Darkness once again settles over the base. The B-2 Spirit returns to its hangar for a silent rest. But the world knows, when this aircraft awakens, its silence becomes the enemy's loudest nightmare. This was only a training mission, yet its story will be remembered.